My name is Angelina Springer, and I'm the co-owner of Wigs On Walls wall covering based out of Nashville, Tennessee. Wigs On Walls is a way for unlimited creative expression for homeowners, business owners, and just commercial individuals as a whole. And we strive to give our clients the wow factor in every room that they walk into. What's going to make us different is Jay is part of a community of individuals who do wallpaper installation, but they kind of cap on that. And with Jay, he wanted to do something that had a limited potential and a limited reach. So not just people who want to decorate their Airbnb or their forever home, but anyone within any business with any budget can take what's in their imagination and dream it and apply it to a surface that creates a limit of unlimited potential. So just taking what's in someone's mind and being able to artistically express that on any surface, and it being convenient enough and affordable to where anyone can have access to it, we think that's what's going to give us a competitive advantage. Because it's no longer you having to pick something that someone has already designed that you're trying to figure out how to fit in your space, but your imagination now becomes the canvas.